Today we discussed about pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Objectives: the plant kingdom's role in life on Earth, oxygen, food, ecosystems, industries. The economic importance and evolutionary aspects of major groups: algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. The evolution path: algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Water, land, spores, seeds, flowers. The plant kingdom forms the green foundation of life on Earth. Plants not only make food through photosynthesis but also release oxygen and form the base of most food chains, supporting all other life forms. To understand this diversity, scientists classify plants into groups based on their structure and reproduction. After simple plants like algae and bryophytes, the next important stages in plant evolution are pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, each showing greater advancement and adaptation. Pteridophytes, the first vascular plants. Pteridophytes are the first plants to have vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, which transport water and food. This allows them to grow taller and live on land more efficiently than earlier plants. They reproduce by spores, not seeds, and require moist conditions for fertilization. Common examples include ferns, horsetails, equisetum, and club mosses, Lycopodium. Pteridophytes are important because they help in soil formation and soil binding, preventing erosion, are used for medicinal purposes and as ornamental plants. They represent a key evolutionary link between the simple spore-bearing plants and the seed-bearing plants that followed. Gymnosperms, naked seed plants. Gymnosperms are seed-producing, non-flowering plants. Their seeds are called naked seeds because they are not enclosed within fruits. They have well-developed roots, stems, and leaves, and can survive in cold and dry conditions. Examples include pine, cycas, deodar, and cedrus. Gymnosperms play an important role in producing timber, resins, and oils, withstanding harsh climates such as in mountainous and arid regions. They show how plants evolved to reproduce without needing water, using seeds for protection and dispersal. 3. Angiosperms, flowering and fruit-bearing plants. Angiosperms are the most advanced and diverse plants on Earth. They are flowering plants whose seeds are enclosed within fruits. Flowers help in pollination and reproduction, while fruits protect and disperse the seeds. Examples include mango, wheat, rose, sunflower, and rice. Angiosperms are essential because they provide food, medicines, fibers, wood, and oxygen, support almost all ecosystems as primary producers. They are divided into monocots, one seed leaf, for example, rice, maize, and dicots, two seed leaves, for example, beans, roses. Today's topic summary 1. Pteridophytes, first vascular, spore-bearing plants like ferns and horsetails, useful as soil binders and medicinal plants. 2. Gymnosperms, seed-producing, non-flowering plants with naked seeds, for example, pine and cycas. 3. Angiosperms, flowering, fruit-bearing plants with seeds enclosed in fruits, the largest and most advanced group. 4. From pteridophytes to angiosperms, plants show an evolutionary journey from simple spores to complex seed-bearing forms, the true foundation of life on Earth.